Has it sunk in?
How could it? It's surreal and difficult. In part, yes. This has been a long time coming.
Do you stand by your testimony and your accusations against Johnny Depp about abuse?
Of course, to my dying day, will stand by every word of my testimony.
Amber Heard and Johnny Depp had one of the most publicized trials in the history of the film industry. All of it ended with hate and backlash coming Amber's way. But it looks like the Aquaman star still wants some more action in her life. We say this because rumors have surfaced that Amber Heard is now looking for a new trial on the same old case. Today, let's dig deep and find out the truth behind all the chaos. But before we continue, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me grow the channel so I can bring you the hottest tea every week. Amber Heard is demanding a retrial of her defamation case against ex-husband Johnny Depp on the grounds that she was denied due to process during the previous trial. As part of the appeals process after the 5-week trial that took place in May, the 36-year-old actress, best known for her role in Aquaman, recently submitted court papers. She is asking for a fresh trial or a reversal of the original judgment. She claimed that the court should have included her testimony about being mistreated, which was recorded in treatment records. But Judge Penny Azcarate of Fairfax County, Virginia, disregarded them as hearsay. The 68-page petition was reportedly written by Heard's attorneys on November 23rd and alleged that the trial judge did not allow the jury to deliberate many times after Heard reported Depp's assault. They stated that if the judgment is not overturned, it may prevent future victims of abuse from coming forward since it would be more difficult to establish their charges. Johnny Depp has been putting his public image to the test in the months following his defamation victory against Amber Heard, who had accused him of physical and sexual abuse by appearing in a fashion show supported by Rihanna and an awards show where he delivered tongue-in-cheek laugh lines about his derailed career. Mr. Depp's ardent supporters showed up in force to the courtroom to cheer him on throughout his trial. And 6 months later, there are signs that some in the entertainment industry are warming up to him again. Nevertheless, whether or not big Hollywood studios would support Depp, who was a sought-after leading man for decades, remains to be seen. Oscar nominations came in for his work in Sweeney Todd and Finding Neverland, in addition to his portrayal as Jack Sparrow in 5 Pirates of the Caribbean films. Mr. Depp, 59, is now attached to direct a film on Italian artist Amedeo Modigliani and star in a French historical drama written by director Ma Wen, in which he portrays King Louis XV. None of them seem to have support from a major American studio. However, Al Pacino and Barry Navidi are creating a film on Modigliani. Ms. Heard, whose cinematic credits include Aquaman and Pineapple Express, has virtually disappeared from public view ever since the trial, during which she received harsh abuse on the internet. She said that she had received hundreds of death threats and that it was agonizing to have her testimony mocked. The actress is engaged in a legal argument with an insurance firm about whether the verdict in the defamation lawsuit is covered by her policy. After the verdict was handed down, Amber Heard's attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, said that her client was broke from the rising cost of legal representation and could not afford to pay Depp $10 million. Heard allegedly parted ways with Bredehoft in August and replaced her with Ballard Spahr partners David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown. A new lawyer, despite claims of financial hardship, has the internet scratching its head over the Aquaman star's newest court petition. As news of the filing spread, many people flocked to Twitter to voice their opinions on Heard's appeal. According to one person's comment, Amber Heard's new lawyers have not made a single point in 68 full pages of an appeal brief. I'm crying so much. Plus, a second commenter chimed in with, the only reason Amber Heard filed an appeal was because she can't afford to pay Johnny Depp back what she owes him is because she lost the trial. Hashtag Amber Heard is a husband beater. While some internet users criticized Amber Heard's most recent plea, others rallied to her defense. So, which side are you on? And if you like this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be the first to see my next video. I post updates like this every week where I uncover the secrets of your favorite celebrities.